Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using my Dutch oven for a roast chicken. Just going to do a simple roast chicken, just going to have a chicken and salad for tonight's tea. Now the one thing I haven't got with my Dutch oven, this is my 5-quart Dutch oven, I haven't got the trivet that fits in the bottom that keeps the meat off the bottom. That's on order, so for today's purposes, one of the tips I've been seeing is you can use either potatoes or onions just to lift the meat off the bottom of the oven to stop it from scorching. So all I'm going to do is, these are just some onions that are going off, shall we say. They're not going off, but they're coming to the end of their life, so they're still nice and juicy. But I'm not going to be using them for cooking in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to literally just cut the ends off, cut them in half. So we've got about 1 inch, 3/4 of an inch lift. So I'm just going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, probably one more. And like I said, this is the first time I've ever used my Dutch oven for anything like this. I cooked the curry in it the other night, which was fantastic, by the way. But I've not actually used onions, but they are very strong. So what I'm going to do is use this chicken, put it in there. Just going to give it a bit of a light spray of some oil. And then we're going to give it a coating of Himalayan salt. I'll do it underneath as well. And then what we're going to do is slippery. Right, that's in there. That's going down into there. Just a nice fit that. That's a extra large chicken. So that'll be alright once the lid's on. So salt, some pepper from the other day. That's that. Put a bit of rosemary into the bottom, a bit on the top. That's all I'm going to do. There's nothing fancy. I'm just going to do that. Again, this is the one with the basting tips on, so hopefully that'll keep the chicken nice and moist. Fits on nicely. So I'm going to put that in my auger as it is for about 90 minutes. I'll give it a check after an hour. See how we're getting on. Like I say, this is the first time I've cooked in a Dutch oven in my auger, so.
A few moments later.
Oh, it smells good. Oh, this is glowing. Oh yeah, baby. That was good. That was really good. Let's just try the old meat test. Look. That's cooked all the way through. Spot on. Buzzing. Buzzing. That's done. Taste test. Oh my god, I wish I could smell it. This is amazing. Oh yeah, I forgot about them. I'll use them in a sec. Hang on. Oh my god. That is absolutely out of this world. So, I'm going to use my bear hooks. Oh. Get in there, son. Onions have done the job. So all I'm doing is put the juices with the onions on the simmer plate, add a little bit of gravy, so I'm not wasting that. I know I should be using the chicken gravy, but we've only got the beef one. But I'm going to use this as a nice thick, oh my god. So all I'll do is put that into a gravy dish that I've got, gravy bowl, and then let this cool down, give it a rinse out. But how good's that? I mean, I've not even touched that. That's just pure brilliance. That's 3 onions, bottom of that, chicken on top, cooked it for 90 minutes. All the juices, all the bottom, you know, everything that's at the bottom of the pan. Throw a bit of gravy granules in it, and you've got a nice gravy that is just so tasty. But that's it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again.